But we're out of beds to jump on. Let's go this way. Boomerang. Boom. These aren't doors. Brooke, no. Stop, child. I'm tempted to punch this wall down. Brooke, no. No, it's not the gay doors. Get away from them. They're not gay. They're plain doors. Get off of them. Ah!
Why do they have shoes here?
Are these closets? Are these closets? Are these closets? Can I throw my gay self in here? We're still in the closet. A second gay can't fit in this part of the closet, but I can fit in the other.
There's more room in here.
Brooke, that's freaky. Brooke, why? I can't see you through the crack. No. Sunlight. No.
I'm not coming out yet. No. No. No.
Get out of the closet. Brooke, if I'm getting out of the closet, you're getting out of the closet. You hear me?
Come on. They can't find enough.
We have now sufficiently run out of closets. We need to go find another thing to do. This closet, that's a closet. You're gonna fall in there. Let's go. Brooke, no. Brooke, get out of the closet. I can't get in the closet. You're not getting in the closet. Get out of the closet. Child, get out.
No.
I feel like I'm talking to a 5-year-old. Out of the closet, child. Good child. I was about to say good gay. But hey, gay means happy. Mama, Papa, where have you gone? Oh, damn, okay, hi there. I have the exact same plushie that is hanging up on the wall. We have made it to the kids section. There are markers. There are markers. Brooke, there are markers. Mala. You can fit in an egg. Look, they have really cool child markers. Brooke, you're an egg. Wait.
Look.
Stay in there, gay. Wait, no, the gay's peeking out. Your gay's showing. Brooke, show the gay. Show the gay. Here's the gay. Why am I not the size of a 5-year-old? I can act like a 5-year-old, but I'm not the size of a 5-year-old. Brooke, no. How are you so tiny? I'm over here like a giant compared to everything here. Brooke, no. 5-year-old child, get out of there. Child. Don't throw that pig at me. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a piggy bank. Off we go again. Boop, do. Chalk, where? Where are they hiding it?
This angers me.
Oh. Carcat. Terezi. Solix. Do that again.
Now that's a big turn off. 5-year-old have this in their room.
It's a mannequin.
Why?
Who There's a gay closet. You can fit a gay in here. No, you cannot. There are 3 of the same books in here. Sorry, since when could children draw like this?
Exactly.
What? Who is she? I am shooketh. Shooketh. Who are you? Shooketh. Damn. You're small enough to fit in there. Brooke, is there an actual game of chess in here? No. I'm disappointed.
Oh my god.
There are actual pieces for it.
A little 5-year-old.
Who are you? Who? Tell me. Brooke, no.
This room.
What child needs this on their wall? A 3-year-old. Okay, wait, give me a sec. What child can read a clock?
Exactly. Especially
When?
like that. What?
Who? Why? Why is there's only 4 times on it? What?
I'm going next.
Brooke, no. Brooke, no. The gay stays out of the crib. Brooke, you're gonna get yourself stuck. Get out of there now. Brooke. Brooke, 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 Brooke. Hey, Brooke, hey, Brooke, hey, Brooke. I got that on video. Wait, child, I'm gonna leave you with a dead rat. Dang it. What is? Your eyes. I've never been more scared in my life. Don't. There are hangers on the ceilings. Who put hangers on the ceilings? I found where it's from. I found where it's from. I found the drawings. What child uses this? I will gladly take this off the wall. Who?
What?
Why? What? Who? Shooketh. What parent would buy a child this much paper? Since when were children cats? Small. How? Frog. Brooke, no, you're gonna get yourself stuck. God, I am shooketh. Who do you hire to do this? Brooke, no, get out of there. No panda. Why do 5-year-olds get all the good stuff? Why are they so tiny? I'm over here like I'm freaking 5'4". What? Who? When? Where? Who? Why?